Antique George Prior pocket watch for the Ottoman market. London, early 19th century. Maker, Edward Prior, son of George Prior, renowned watchmaker to the Ottoman Sultan. Dial enamel with Ottoman numerals, signed Edward Prior, London. Movement, fine Verge Fusee, ornately engraved key wound. Case, triple silver case with original matching hallmarks. Striking tortoiseshell outer casing, typical of Ottoman market pieces. Accessories, complete with original winding key and ornate chain fob. Provenance and significance. George Prior and Edward Prior were esteemed English horologists known for producing high-grade pocket watches tailored for the Ottoman elite during the early 1800s. This piece exemplifies the luxurious craftsmanship and cultural fusion typical of that period. A beautifully preserved collector's piece representing cross-cultural craftsmanship at its finest. You can buy this item from my eBay store, Riaerica Antiques and Collectables.